I'm David Blankenhorn, the president of the Institute for American Values. Our first gathering of scholars was in 1989 at Stanford University, where we brought together people to talk about a topic. We called it What Families Do. And the book that came out of that project was called Rebuilding the Nest. And 20 years now into our work on marriage, families, children, fatherhood, this area of our work is organized now through our Center for Marriage and Families. It's one of our 4 centers of activity, of research and engagement. The other 3 are our Center for Thrift and Generosity, that focuses on studying and strengthening those 2 values of thrift and generosity. Our Center for Ijtihad Reason, that is involved in engaging the Arab and Muslim world, and our Center for Public Conversation, that records live events that we have here to try to model seriousness and civility in public conversation. Well, what are we really trying to do here at the Institute? We say that our mission is to study and strengthen fundamental American values. And we chose each of those words fairly carefully. Values, because we're looking at our culture, we're looking at our philosophy, we're looking at the things that are most important to us. So unlike most other think tanks who focus on, say, government and public policy, or the economy and economic policy, we focus on that 3rd leg of the stool, which are our cultural values, fundamental values. We are talking really about those values that contribute to thriving and success. We try not to talk about these, study these in sort of jingoistic ways or cheerleading ways, but try to bring real intellectual integrity to it, bringing together people from across the different disciplines and across the political spectrum to do fresh work in the area of our cultural values. Study and strengthen. We're a think tank, so our main work is scholarship. Strengthen, we want to do more than only study. We want to be a part of social change, to strengthen those cultural values that we believe and argue through our work are important to our thriving as individuals and a society. Thank you.